Okay, guys, we're starting Kimura style. And really, you know, if we're talking about udigarami in judo, they don't differentiate here. Like udigarami, we're talking about, you know, arm can be here, arm can be here, arm entangled. Okay, so that could be an Americana, it could be a Kimura. Anytime you get into that, you get the udigatami, which is straight arm lock with your arms also coming into the picture. So that's the sort of stuff we'll be doing this whole night. Okay. Now I'm going to show some stuff tonight from like half guard on top. Okay. And just some nuances. If you want to check out our YouTube channel, we have about like 60 videos on the Kimura from all positions. Okay. Even standing, it comes in. Okay. So this is perfect. This is exactly where I want for this. And I will say, I learned this technique from private from Kyle. So if anybody wants to work with him, it's one of his moves I stole from. Okay, but it like goes with two other things I do. Like I immediately added it to my game. Like I've hit it twice rolling in the last week. Okay, but here, you don't stay here. You're not gonna stay here. Like hit. But what I do is I switch to like a reverse half. Here. And see, I've got his arm. Now I let go. Here, wedge my shin in, come up and out. Okay? Then I can take his arm up and in. Now I want to be able to finish the submission. Okay, so for that, I'm going to sit through and I'm going to step over. Look how my hip is up off of the mat. It's going to be like I swing a baseball bat this way. Okay, here, boom. Spiral fracture of the humerus is what the result would be if he didn't tap. Okay? If I just set my weight on the mat, he can set up. Right? So I don't want that. If they do set up, you can re-roll them. A la Frank Mir, Nogueira. Right? But we're back in here, so like, watch. Okay, so people are usually like framing and stuff here, so look. Boom. Boom. Right there. Come here. I want to take this up and bend it in. Okay? Now, sit through, step over. He already tapped as soon as I stepped over. But look, my hip is off the mat here. It's not, just barely, but it's off the mat. Okay? You know, here's another thing. This is a sidebar. Okay? Like when I do this, and I'm here, and I clear the hip line, I wedge in, hold on to my leg. Like, look, I'm not going to back step and come out. I gotta come up first, right? So here, up and out. If you try and just like a conventional back step, because I was always taught something like this. Right? See how my leg comes in an arc. But with this one, the way we're doing it, here, I've gotta come up. My knee comes up and then out. Okay? And then go for the finish. Does that make sense? Good, 1, 2.